ngashu yapi aba people some kialele yapi ngano mi dabai people takliba ya jabin jonga bila shusti
Dance, the piano, you have to dance, bro. Feel the music. Enjoy yourself, feel free. Come and sing, Jonga. The piano, tell us, bro, now. The piano is coming. The pin on the piano.
Hello guys.
Yes, Khasi people, kumno pilong. Kumno pilong.
How are you? Namaste.
How are you guys doing?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam, marhaba everyone. Yes guys, namaste.
Namaskaram.
Yes, hope everyone is doing well. So today we are back again to the Mar local music production from our favorite guy of all the time.
Khasi version.
This song is by Joelan, guys. Cheerleader.
Yeah, Cheerleader.
It's cheering his leaders.
Yeah.
Khasi version by Joelan. The singer is Joelan, guys. So welcome my brother. Tell them something.
Yeah,
it's been a while.
Boy, Samson, aka Tumbo Hude.
Yo,
I'm back. You know,
again,
I
fire.
was busy doing some stuff, but
Busy.
here I am. Yeah, I was busy.
Yes, he was busy. He went to which place you travel?
I went to USA, I went to Canada, I went to a lot of places.
That's busy.
Yeah.
What about you?
I went to Radhanagram,
Where's Rajanagram?
Andhra Pradesh.
What is Andhra Pradesh?
It's a village, man. No need to tell them, guys.
Anyways,
So anyway, let's check it out. We are so curious, guys. Make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, put on the bell. Let's go.
Cheerleader.
Yes,
Barbecue.
barbecue is getting ready. Khasi version, let's go. Joelan feet, the piano. This is the piano. The singer is Joelan.
kijing song babon rukong kibangadan hakapor bangi kendut ningkong yeah kishu japet kum kap ngai ha pinga shu shat mai ho nga ong bangam shap ting han re nga kyo da pi dom tu skap si na shu yapi aba people some kialele yapi ngano mi dabai people takliba ya jabin jonga bila shusti
Dance, man. Dance. See, this is very nice song, man. Why you can't dance to that? I always favorite about now. Can't listen to anyone. I like playing painting because the love is very heavy, bro. What have to do you? I have to go with
Aba people some kidalele yapi ngano itang bai people takliba ya jabin jonga pila shusti terkong
dance, the piano, you have to dance, bro. Feel the music. Enjoy yourself, feel free. Come and sing, Jonga. The piano, tell us, bro, now. The piano is coming. The pin on the piano.
What is that sausage?
Sausage. Yes, fry this thing.
They are frying onions.
Yes, tell them, boss.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Yeah, man, let's listen
Prepare
for you.
Prepare the food, bro.
Yes.
They are coming. Man, I am enjoying the meats.
Hey, they're
French
doing
fries.
French fries.
her story rupi clemention yang api pentention dan saban lekum tapi orang buat attention yang api pen showbiz ngopong banga dan addiction yang banga is kenyapi kapor babile on ya jabin jonga bila shusti terkong pishu kelakan san laka jinglong ya donu jonga bila shupen
Bandi, just like fried rice, guys, so what if I
Alcohol. What the heck? It's water.
Water.
Oh,
burning. Yeah.
Oh, the lamp was burning, so we
Yeah.
tried to off the lamp.
Yes. The laugh was burning too much, man.
Oh my goodness.
See, Joelan laugh almost burned. The feeling he was expressing almost burned this guy,
Yet
right?
she did not catch feelings.
Oh
And
my
the thing was
gosh.
paining him. He did all the effort, all the things.
We really feel you. We really feel you, bro. This is so deep, man. The music is so deep. And for this girl, you're burning too much. It almost burn your friend also, see, because of the fire.
Even look at me, I'm burning. If I'm
sweating.
Because I felt you. I felt you, bro. So sorry, man.
Yeah, Subi will tell us something interesting because I think she don't like the music.
We lost everything in fire. We lost, what was that?
What do you lose?
What did you lose?
There is one lyrics. We lost a lot of things in the fire.
In the fire, okay?
That means they lost the feelings.
They lost the feeling?
Or the feeling got burned on everything.
Yeah. Everything we lost.
The music was nice, guys. The music, and most what I love the most is the beat.
Yeah, the beat was.
The beat was like this can be also kind of a people can party on this. Yeah. It has that energy, that you know that
energy.
If you are sitting on the speaker when this song is on playing, guys,
you feel the beats.
Yeah, you will feel it. You will feel it from bottom to your heart, guys.
Automatically,
it's real heat, guys. It's really nice, amazing, and thank you also, Joelan, for providing the English subtitle.
Cheerleader.
Yeah, Cheerleader.
Cheerleader. The subtitle was amazing.
It is very lit.
Yeah.
And you know what I was expecting? I was expecting this guy to be singing because they say Joelan fit.
The featuring. Yeah.
I think you are just in the.
Because being in the video, right?
I don't think he's a singer. Is he a singer?
Yeah, that guy is a singer, but
maybe his role is just to appear.
His role was just to be present, right? Because he didn't sing.
Yeah.
Anyway, it was nice. Maybe soon we'll have a music collaboration with Joelan.
Yeah.
Joelan feed Gabs. I'll just be in the video.
Yeah, even me.
I'll just be in the video vibing, guys. Is that okay, bro? We are coming soon to Shillong. We'll do collaboration. We don't need to sing, right? Because we don't know Khasi.
Yeah.
We'll appear and give some vibe. Like we need this kind of beat and song. We'll dance for you, bro, for free, man. We'll make it, man. Thank you so much, love from Africa. Till next time. Subi, she's feeling sleepy. She can't tell anything. I don't know why she's here, but anyway. Just tell them goodbye, I know. Tell them goodbye.
In Shillong.
And tell them one word in Khasi. Tell them some word in Khasi. Maybe they will be happy. Okay. She's saying she cut no budget. She don't have time and she's rushing. So thank you also for coming to our studio. She came, guys, and because you guys like her and she's part of our team, we invited her to have some time. So thank you, Subi. She'll be going. Now you are going where?
I'm going to
Nepal. Right.
I'm going to Australia.
Okay, safe journey, guys.
Till
next time.